As the Maldives grapples with severe financial difficulties, including a looming payment on a Sharia-compliant sukuk, the Muizu government has turned its focus to strengthening ties with India. On Monday, Maldives President Dr. Mohammad Muizu thanked India for approving financial assistance during bilateral talks he held with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi. India's timely emergency financial assistance includes the rolling over of T-bills subscribed by the State Bank of India, totaling $100 million, which has provided critical support to the Maldives economy. In addition, India announced a bilateral currency swap agreement extending $400 million and an additional Rs 3,000 crore to help the Maldives tackle ongoing financial difficulties.
I would like to thank Prime Minister Modi, the government and people of India for the generous assistance and cooperation extended to the Maldives over the years, including the recent budgetary support in form of rollover of the T-bills. I am thankful for the Indian government's decision to provide support in the form of 30 billion Indian rupees in addition to $400 million bilateral currency swap agreement, which will be instrumental in addressing the foreign exchange issues we are facing right now.
The two nations are also exploring trade agreements that could foster economic growth and reduce dependency on foreign currencies.
आर्थिक संबंधों को मजबूत करने के लिए हमने फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट पर चर्चा शुरू करने का निर्णय लिया। लोकल करेंसी में ट्रेड सेटलमेंट पर भी काम किया जाएगा। हमने डिजिटल कनेक्टिविटी पर भी फोकस किया है। कुछ दिन पहले मालदीव में रुपे कार्ड लॉन्च किया गया है। आने वाले समय में भारत और मालदीव को यूपीआई से भी जोड़ने के लिए काम किया जाएगा।
The meeting marked a turning point in the relationship, especially after a year of tensions between the two nations. In addition to financial discussions, the leaders also agreed to bolster defense ties significantly. India will provide defense platforms and assets to enhance the capabilities of the Maldives National Defense Force. This is significant as Muizu had won the elections last year on the India Out campaign, which was primarily focused on the removal of Indian military assets from Maldives.
Today, in fact, during the discussions, the defense and security relationship came up significantly and substantively in the discussions between the two leaders. Both of them emphasized the importance and the significance of the defense and security partnership between the two countries and how it was the intention of both sides to reinforce this relationship and take it forward. So there is very little doubt, if any, in our mind that we will continue to work with the Maldives in a very close manner as we did previously in responding to the defense and security challenges that face us.
The Maldives will also receive support to improve its surveillance and monitoring capabilities, including radar systems and other necessary equipment. India will assist with hydrographic matters through capacity building and training tailored to the Maldives' requirements.